Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I want to show you how to take partial screenshot on this device. So, before doing that you want to make sure that the gesture works. So let's quickly check that. In your settings you want to scroll down to additional settings. Now under the section accessibility you should go to gesture shortcuts and here select partial screenshot, and please make sure that this feature is on. So now go to screen that you want to make screenshot of. Now we want to place 3 fingers on the screen and hold them for about 1 second, and now you have to draw the area. You have to drag your finger across the screen to draw a specific box around the content that you want to capture. And when you lift your finger you can use the corner handles of the selected section to readjust the size and as well the position of the partial screenshot. And additionally at the top you can select some shapes. And now when you're satisfied you want to tap save in the bottom right corner of your screen to save your screenshot to your gallery. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.